In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Insightly CRM. We'll take a guided tour through the core areas so you know exactly where to click and what each section is for, keeping things simple and practical. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Insightly CRM homepage. Once you're signed in, you'll land on Home. Think of this as your daily snapshot. Recent activity, quick access to records, and shortcuts that keep you oriented. If you're ever unsure where you are, Home is a safe place to reset and get your bearings. Next, click Command Center. This is your launchpad, gathering workflows and high-level navigation in one place. From here, click Insights. Insights highlights key trends and performance at a glance. Great for a quick pulse check. If you see filters or date ranges, use them to focus on the time frame or team that matters to you. Now move to Tasks. This is where you track to-dos, due dates, and ownership. Glance at statuses to understand what's open or overdue. Sorting by due date or owner helps you prioritize without leaving the page. Head over to Contacts. These are the people you interact with, clients, prospects, or partners. You'll typically see names, roles, and related records. Keep an eye on links to organizations, emails, and activities so you can jump between connected information easily. Click Leads. Leads represent early interest before qualification. Use lead status or source columns to understand where prospects come from and what needs attention next. Open organizations. These are the companies tied to your contacts and deals. Reviewing organization records helps you see the bigger picture. Associated people, activities, and opportunities all in one place. Move to opportunities. This is your pipeline view. Stages and values help you forecast revenue and spot bottlenecks. If a view looks crowded, apply filters to focus on a specific stage or time frame. Click Projects. Once work is won, projects help you deliver. Milestones, tasks, and related records keep execution on track and connected to what came before. Open Time. Here, you'll see time entries tied to projects or tasks. It's useful for understanding effort and budgeting. Go to Emails. This centralizes communication history so you can reference conversations without digging through inboxes. Open Calendar. It shows events, meetings, and deadlines. Linking events to records keeps your schedule in context. Click Dashboards. Visual charts summarize performance, giving you quick pattern recognition without manual analysis. Open Reports. Structured lists and summaries help you answer precise questions and export results when needed. Finally, click Tools. This area houses utilities you'll use occasionally, such as data management and configuration. Explore carefully and coordinate changes with your admin.